Been working on a ass-kicking hot sauce variety pack that I got. Been looking forward to this one because I like garlic. This is called Ass-Kickin' Roasted Garlic Hot Sauce. And it's from the guys at www.asskickin.com, or they say on the bottom you can get a free catalog at 1-800-536-3131. So, what have we got here? It's Kick Your Ass Hot, and it's got habanero pepper. So let's read the ingredients. It's made from water, habanero peppers, jalapeno peppers, tomato paste, vinegar, salt, fresh roasted garlic, onion powder, xanthan gum, and spices. And refrigerate after opening. If you can get it open. There it is. Alright, so I'm going to shake this up real good. I can smell the garlic. See what we got as far as consistency. Smooth. A little thin, but not watery. Let's give this a shot. Ooh, yeah. Garlic. It's got garlic. Alright. Taste the vinegar a little bit. Taste a little bit of the tomato paste. All these ass-kicking sauces I've done have really had a nice touch with the salt. A lot of these hot sauces tend to be a little too salty. This has just the right amount of salt to go with that vinegar, to where it's not overpowering, but it kind of opens up the palate for everything else. The habanero burn is starting to go off now a little bit. Starting to feel it run down the throat some. Let's see. Garlic. Definitely garlic. If you like garlic, you'll like this sauce. Got a good garlic flavor to it. But garlic ain't overwhelming in this sauce. It's just, it's there. It's not like where it's all you get, which wouldn't really bother me too much either because I love garlic, but a good sauce. Heat's still building a little bit. Feel it moving a little more through the mouth, and starting to feel it more on the palate and the tongue, and kind of moving toward the tip of the tongue, right at the 2-minute point, and feel my lips a little bit. Not really bad though. It's very manageable. Well, mouth, man. Ooh. That garlic with the vinegar and that nice habanero burn. It's got a nice mouth-watering aftertaste to it. It really does. Very smooth in texture. No bits of anything in it or anything like that. You know, no seeds in it or anything. It was just smooth. But good flavor. Good texture. I know it's a little tiny bottle, but if this was a full-size bottle, there's no doubt in my mind it wouldn't last very long. Use it in you know, sauces, stews, gravies. This would probably make a pretty good chicken wing sauce, to be honest with you. I'll have to get around to that, find some uses for it. But I'm liking what I'm tasting on this. We're at the almost the 4-minute mark, and I'll give it a little bit of a break and come back and let you know how long it burned. I'm back with Ass Kickin roasted garlic hot sauce from www.asskickin.com or 1-800-536-3131. They'll send you a free catalog. And this was a good sauce. I like this sauce. I could use this on, like I said, I think it would make some great chicken wings. It'd be good for any kind of a sauce or gravy. Anything you just want. It'd be good over pizza. I love roasted garlic, and this wasn't cheap on the garlic. This was it was good. I liked it. Very good sauce. Anyway, most all these sauces have had about about 2 minutes worth of a good burn, and then kind of tapers off for about 5 or 6 minutes to where it leaves your tongue just kind of a little tingling a little bit. But nice clean aftertaste on this sauce. Matter of fact, it's really been a clean aftertaste on all the Ass Kickin sauces that I've tried, which is just good, because you know, you don't want to taste something and be like, oh well, that was delicious, and then have like a weird aftertaste going on, you know. So anyway, you see any of this stuff, I highly recommend picking it up, especially if you like garlic. Give it a try for sure. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and got more of them coming, and I'll be keeping in touch.